model is there are 4 numbers A, B, C and D. Then the number that should be subtracted from each of these numbers so that the remaining numbers may be proportional is AD minus BC divided by A plus D minus B plus C. Now take an example for this problem. What should be subtracted from 15, 28, 20 and 38 so that the remaining numbers may be proportional? Here first we must know what is the proportionality. If 4 numbers A, B, C and D are in proportional, then the product of extremes equals to product of means, that is AD equals to BC. Now here in general the numbers, that is the given numbers, are not in proportion. To make them in proportion, here we have to subtract certain quantity. If we subtract certain quantity from each of these given numbers, then the results may be in proportional. We have to find that quantity what we have to subtract. Now using this relation we find that quantity. Now comparing, here A equals to 15, B equals to 28, C equals to 20 and D equals to 38. Now the required quantity is AD minus BC divided by A plus D minus B plus C, that equals to 15 into 38 minus 28 into 20 divided by 15 plus 38 minus 28 plus 20, that gives 2. The next model is there are 4 numbers A, B, C and D. Then the number that should be added from each of these numbers so that the remaining numbers may be proportional is BC minus AD divided by A plus D minus B plus C. Now previous model is if we subtract certain number from the given numbers, then the numbers become in proportional. Here the adding case, if we add certain number to the given numbers, then the results may be in proportional. Now take an example for this model. The value of k that must be added to 7, 16, 43, 79 so that they are in proportion. Now in general the numbers 7, 16, 43, 79 are not in proportion, since the product of extremes not equals to product of means. If we add certain quantity for these given numbers, then the results will be in proportion. Now we find that quantity. Here comparing A equals to 7, B equals to 16, C equals to 43 and D equals to 79. Now the adding quantity is BC minus AD divided by A plus D minus B plus C, that is 16 into 43 minus 7 into 79 divided by 7 plus 79 minus 16 plus 43, that equals to 5. So if we add 5 to the given 4 numbers, then the results are in proportional.